So today in factory, around the monitor, I'm going to show you something about the factory. First here, assembly line. Black parts will be the OC to liquid crystal. Here's assembling the backside, motherboard, and power parts. Right here is the testing area. All the machines will be hanging on the wall and testing if there are any issues, defects. Okay. Also the aging area. Well, in here, you can notice there are two production lines. Well, here, this three production line of Riotouch, 1 day, 1 size, 115, and 3 line, 415. And this is finished area around the back side. This is the Riotouch logo, aging area, also the aging area. This is for loading and unloading. This was for the elevator and loading dispatcher parts. The warehouse for the Stone Age, the liquid crystal, the OC, here also come, and for the front gates. And together, Riotouch factory.